How to increase your home value in Sarnia before selling? Thinking of selling your home in Sarnia before you list? There are smart ways to boost your property's value and appeal. Today, I'm sharing expert tips on how to increase your home's value and make it stand out in the Sarnia market. Start with curb appeal. A clean yard, fresh paint, and a welcoming entrance can create a strong first impression that draws buyers in. Inside, focus on kitchens and bathrooms. Even small updates like new fixtures and cabinet hardware or a coat of paint can make these spaces feel modern and move-in ready. Flooring matters. Replacing warm carpets with hardwood and vinyl plank can dramatically improve your home's shows. Energy upgrades are also a great investment. Think smart thermostats, new windows, or better insulation. Buyers are looking for comfort and efficiency. Declutter every space and remove personal items so buyers can imagine themselves in your home. Clean, neutral spaces tend to photograph better and show well. Want to go the extra mile? A pre-listing home inspection can help you address any surprises before they scare off a potential buyer. Selling in Sarnia means standing out from the crowd. We offer personalized strategies to help you prep, price, and present your home for top dollar.